Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a tutorial or explain you why the Google Sheets is a view only. So if you are wondering why when you open a file there is this view only mode, so you cannot do anything on the Google Sheets file. Let's say I want to edit this right here. I cannot do that, so I cannot do anything into the file because I only have view only access into this file. That's because you are not the original owner of the file, and then the original owner only set you as viewer on this file. So what you need to do if you want to edit or change it into not view only mode, so you can have full access into the file, you can just click on this view only button and there will be this request edit access. So in the view only mode, you can only view this document and to make changes as the owner for edit access. So let's tap on request edit access, and in here you can just leave a message for them. Can you give me access to the file, please? Okay, you can just leave it this message right here. Now you can just tap on send, and after that you can see that the request has sent to the owner. You can just wait until they read your message and give you access into the file. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click